Handmade sugar scrub. You will need an airtight container, 2 glasses of sugar, some sweet almond oil, some lemon juice, olive oil and a measuring spoon. You want to start by pouring in your sugar into your container and then adding in half a cup of olive oil.
Don't forget to subscribe!
I am then adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, and about 20 drops of the sweet almond oil. You can mix this to your preferences depending on how oily or grainy you want your mixture to be. And then just giving it a mix, and I felt I needed a bit more sugar, so that's what I've just put in there. Just giving it another quick mix. The finished scrub.
It helps to keep your skin silky smooth.
Thanks for watching, ladies, and until next time, bye!